Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.
Polkastarter. This is the price prediction for 2021 for Polkastarter. I'm excited to bring this video to you guys because I think this project has immense potential. And I'm going to give this project an A+, as you're going to see in the video. But I'm going to give you guys a quick overview and a price prediction of what I think Polkastarter can do. I think it can do very well in 2021. I think it's maybe a top 10 project in 2021. I'm going to give you the reasons why in this video. But Polkastarter allows you to decentralize your ideas and raise capital. Be the first to join Polkastarter, a protocol built for cross-chain token pools and auctions, enabling projects to raise capital on a decentralized and inoperable environment based on Polkadot. Now, in short, I believe Polkastarter is basically a better version of Uniswap, but it's a lot more than that. So not only is it a better version of Uniswap, it's a lot more than that. And I'm going to go into why, and I'm going to give you the price prediction at the end of the video. So if you want to join our group, join Crypto Million to get these calls first, check it out, okay? So let's go into what Polkastarter is. So here are some of the, well, I don't want to do that first. Let me go into what it is. So what problem is Polkastarter trying to solve? What it does is it allows projects to provide liquidity on both the asset for sale and the quote currency, usually ETH, for it to initially trade against. Well, let me not say it like that. Let me say it like this. So Polkastarter is basically a decentralized exchange. So that's why I say it's kind of like Uniswap. It's a decentralized exchange on the Polkadot platform. It is launching a mechanism for crowdfunding with several projects lined up to offer token sales through the platform. Through a so-called fixed swap pool, projects can list their tokens and set up a pool with a fixed per token purchase weight. The product will go live on December 15th, and these 3 projects will be using the platform to raise funds in the first 3 days of launch. These include 2 decentralized autonomous organizations, including SpiderDAO and MahaDAO. Now you have to remember that initial decentralized exchange offerings are kind of new. They just came into existence in the second half of 2019 on the Binance DEX, remember? But now DEXs are gaining a lot of popularity, so they're trying to find ways to make it better to do a decentralized exchange offering, an IDO. Now Polkastarter, the difference is it will allow projects to list at a fixed price, which will be maintained for as long as there are tokens remaining in the original supply. This should ensure less volatility around the token launch. It also allows a project and its investors increased transparency over the amount of money raised and the tokens sold. This data is not as easily calculable when the tokens sold varies greatly with price volatility. Polkastarter will also provide additional tools for projects wishing to fundraise, including the provision of anti-money laundering and know your customer compliance. These tools will not be mandatory, but will be available if the projects require them. And that's huge because a lot of times decentralization doesn't allow you to have KYC and anti-money laundering, which is going to be necessary when regulators come more into the crypto space. Even decentralized exchanges, I believe, will be regulated. The Polkadot ecosystem on which Polkastarter runs recently announced its own DeFi alliance with Oracle Network Chainlink among its founding members. So the killer feature of Polkadot and why I think Polkadot is going to do so well is this. So how does Polkastarter differ from other DEXs and swap platforms? So the Polkastarter product offering is much different than Uniswap, right? So the upcoming MVP relies upon heavily a fixed swap smart contract, combined with a governance model, a unique POLS staking features, and eventually Polkadot migration. We believe that Polkastarter is the correct approach for token launch teams. Now here are the things that they have differently that Uniswap doesn't have. They have cross-chain pools. They support any asset. They have a governance model, fixed pools, and whitelisted pools. So that's also huge. And then the token itself, The token, the transaction fees will be paid in POLS, and then governance token holders will be able to vote on product features, token utilities, types of auctions, and even decide which projects get funded by Polkastarter. So you're also going to get staking rewards for staking your POLS token. So that's going to be huge, all right? So there's a lot of ways that this is going to grow and even get bigger. So having a fixed swap pool allows transparency to investors over the amount of money raised in the token sold. That's going to be huge. So it's basically making initial decentralized exchange offerings better. Now, when you go to the website, you see that there are some pools on here for decentralized exchange offerings. And this would probably be the way to go, because you don't need Binance, you don't need Coinbase. You would just come here, list your token, and you list your token and raise money as a project. So a lot of these projects are going to want to raise money, and they're going to do it through POLS. They'll do it through Polkastarter, because Polkastarter allows you to do this, and it allows them to calculate how much money is raised, and allows them to do it in a transparent and in a very user-friendly way. So if Polkastarter is the next Uniswap, what is my price prediction for Polkastarter? Well, it's a better version of Uniswap, and Uniswap is currently market cap of 2.5 billion. 2.5 billion is Uniswap's market cap. Currently, Polkastarter's market cap is 81 million, right? So Polkastarter is currently 81 million. It's $1.56. Volume is 21 million, and there's a 49.8 million tokens available. As you can see, the chart here in the last few months has been exploding. Everyone's been buying Polkastarter. It is now $1. Today's high was $1.72. It's $1.56 right now for Polkastarter on CoinMarketCap. The all-time high for Polkastarter was $1.72, which is about an hour ago on CoinMarketCap. So it really was pumping recently. The all-time low was 9 cents, and that was about 3 months ago. The all-time ROI is 452%. So yeah, so in the last 30 days, it was 30 cents about 30 days ago, and now it's $1.72. 7-day low was 75 cents, and now 7-day high is $1.72. So it's getting increasing volume, and maybe one of the top projects on Uniswap right now. The volume is around 10 million on Uniswap and 10 million on Wabi Global. So Polkastarter is getting a lot of attention right now because people see it as maybe the next Uniswap, or the Uniswap on Polkadot, but a better version of Uniswap. Now, it's currently the market cap to get to Uniswap market cap of Uniswap is about $2.5 billion. Polkastarter hasn't even hit 100 billion yet. It's about $75 million, $77 million. So can Polkastarter go to Uniswap's level? And if it does, what would be the price prediction? So we could 10x Polkastarter market cap from now. That brings around $770 million, and we could 10x the price from where it is now, and that would bring us to about I like to do it in front of you guys just to let you guys see how I'm thinking. I'm thinking like this. So let's say Polkastarter at its current price does a 10x, right? So that's $1.57 is the current price, right? $1.57 times 10. That's $15.70. Now you have to remember, Polkastarter is cross-chain compatible, so it could go on any blockchain. So let's say it does a 20x, right, from the current price, $1.57 times 20x. Now that would put it in, that'd be $31.40. Now that would put it in the range of 20x would put it in the range of Uniswap, right? Because that would be about maybe 2 billion market cap, and Uniswap is ranked 17 on CoinMarketCap. So Polkastarter, could it go to that level? Yeah, it could. And the reason why is because I believe decentralized exchanges are going to just be more and more important in the future here. Now I'm going to pull this up real quick to read this to you guys. I had something I wanted to show you guys about Polkastarter. So the killer feature of Polkastarter is the fixed swap pools. That's huge. But I want to also go into the price prediction. So here, according to the digital coin price prediction, it has it at 252. I actually think it's going to 10x. I have it at 2052. I told you guys, I think this thing is going to be at least $15. I think at 10x is going to be at least $15.70 by the end of 2021. I think by the end of 2022, this could easily be a $31.40 token. So that's what my price prediction is. I'm there. As in terms for the current price, yeah, it's a little oversold right now, but I think give it time, and Polkastarter could really make its move up, especially being the fact that it's blockchain agnostic, right? So we have to remember that it's blockchain agnostic, and that's going to be really huge. So they have a great team as well. These are the founders. They have a great team. These are the guys that founded it. They also have the partnerships. They have partnerships with Dia, Orion Protocol, Covent, Shift, Moonbeam. They already have some partnerships that are pretty good. Also, you should always look at the investors in the project. If you go down, I believe they have their investors for Polkastarter is here. You have Astronaut Capital, Signum Capital, NGC Ventures, Moonwalk Capital, Vendetta Capital, DFG, Strategic Round Capital, Kairos Ventures are all invested in Polkadot. I'm just going to read this to you guys too. The protocol for cross-chain token pools. We are building Polkastarter as the next step for truly interoperable DeFi, a protocol built for cross-chain token pools and auctions, enabling projects to raise capital in a decentralized and an operable environment based on Polkadot. With Polkastarter, decentralized projects will be able to raise and exchange capital cheap and fast. Users will be able to participate in a secure and compliant environment. This is going to be key. Participate in a secure and compliant environment and to use assets that go way beyond the current ERC20 standard. In order to leverage advantages, smooth interoperability between various networks is a key to success. The killer feature of Polkastarter is the possibility of making cross-chain swaps powered by the Polkadot ecosystem, which can provide higher throughput for faster and cheaper transactions while staying connected to the Ethereum network and other blockchains for liquidity. That is the killer feature of Polkastarter. Other features include permissionless listings, token swaps by smart contract, private pools with passwords, whitelisting, and high slippage price alerts. Pools will have several types of swaps, including fixed ratio swaps, dynamic ratio swaps, Dutch auctions, and even sealed bid auctions. The future is decentralized. The future is interoperable. The future is Polkastarter. So yeah, definitely look at Polkastarter. Definitely a project with a lot of hype, but also I could see why, because it could really change the game for decentralized DEXs. It could really change the game. And that's where we're headed, is DEXs. So definitely check out Polkastarter. My price prediction, like I said, I'm going to put my price prediction here. I think by the end of 21, we could be at $15.70 for Polkastarter. By the end of 2020, we'll be at $31.40 for Polkastarter. I'm going really high. I think we could see $30 Polkastarter by the end of 2022. I think by the end of 2021, by the end of this year, we'll see $15.70 at least for Polkastarter. All right? That's a conservative prediction. $15.70 is a conservative prediction for Polkastarter. Conservative. Remember that. Like I said, price predictions, take them with a grain of salt. I'm not, everyone has a prediction. Take it with a grain of salt. These are just my predictions. And a year from now, we'll look back at my predictions and see if I was right. But these are just my predictions, okay, guys? So take it with a grain of salt. Make your own predictions in the comments below. Yeah, I want to hear you guys' comments. Make a prediction in the comments below. And let me know, what do you think Polkastarter is going to be by the end of 2021, guys? Thank you for following the channel. I appreciate your support. Stay safe during the pandemic. Protect your family. And God bless America.
Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.